Hey guys, welcome back to Jazzy Reviews. Today I am reviewing the Lootcrate. Give me the loot! So I already did one before, so we're going to do this one and see what kind of goodies we've got. So if you're into comic books and kind of, in my opinion, and I say this jokingly, nerdy comic book type of things, the Lootcrate's going to be for you. I'm on the border. I enjoy going to like Comic Cons and things like that, but as far as actually being knowledgeable about it, I'm kind of pretty much like, huh? But I do enjoy attending the Comic Cons and, you know, things like that. So let's see what kind of goodies we've got. What is this? I don't know. Let's see what kind of shirt do we got. It also does, it's more pop culture, should I say. So it does lean more, I think this box, I believe, leans more towards like comic books and cartoons and things like that. So this shirt is over my head because I have no idea what it's meaning or what it's saying. And it's probably going to be hard to pick up on camera because it's black on black, and so hopefully you'll be able to see it. If not, I'll definitely take a picture and you'll be able to see it better up there. Alright, so I'm going to try and figure this out real quick. I have no idea what SO, I guess Season 4, Episode 1, Season 1, Episode 2. I'm guessing because it says SO2, EO, or it says, yeah, SO4, EO1, SO1, EO2, SO4, EO, I'm guessing 4. Yeah, so this is all over my head. Although some of the print, I think, is coming out funky. I don't think it printed properly. Especially right here in the corner. Because it's hard to read. Alright, so I'll definitely have to be looking at the guidebook to be able to look at it. This is so cute. I got a little SpongeBob calendar. It's a 16-month calendar for 2019. So we've already passed this one. We are well over half of lovey-dovey SpongeBob. Annoy Squidward Day. Oh man, I missed Annoy Squidward Day. Darn it. That is cute. So, oh, did you know that January 25th is opposite day? Because I did not. Alright, so March. Oh, we have a boating exam on March 3rd. Gotta get to studying. That's cute. Any others? April 15th, April 17th is National High Five Day. So any other special days? Let's see. Actually, let me do it like this so that way you guys can see with the other camera view. Let's see. I got Memorial Day. Those are normal days. June. July 14th is SpongeBob SquarePants' birthday. Had no idea. Learned something new today. So you would think they would have SpongeBob celebrating his birthday instead of Squidward getting a nice tan. That's kind of rude, don't you think? Alright. Let's see. Stephen Hillenburg's birthday is on August 21st. Let's see. Don't know what that is. No other date. Who's Leif Erikson? Do you know who that is? If you know who that is, will you please inform me? So I don't sit here and look like I'm just a dodo bird. Alright. December 27th is Free Balloon Day. Had no idea. And then we are into 2020, which will be here tomorrow because that seems how fast the days are flying nowadays. Because I can't believe we're already halfway through February. Boy. Oh! I got my eye patch from the first loot box. Although I still don't really know too much about it. I'm going to watch the movie though. One day. I like socks! Okay, so this is from the Friends series. Oh. It's a turkey with sunglasses. I'm not really into Friends, sorry guys. So I do love the socks though. and I will be rocking them. It's funny because I am currently wearing some knee-high socks with random things, and they are mixed match, so no, I do not care. All right, so we've got another Loot pin from Black Mirror. Ooh, Futurama. I do know Futurama, though. I will say that much. Hold on, what is this? Loot Vision. I'm not sure what the box is, but I'm pretty sure the guide will tell me in just a minute. But first, I gotta see what kind of little Futurama thingy I've got. Try to open it without making a mess. It's a silver one! Oh, sorry, that's the wrapper. Got a little too excited. So there are 16 different options. We've got Roberto, Super King Bender. Ooh, I kind of want that one. We have Robot Devil. We have Zap, Kif. I'm pretty sure I'm butchering this name, but it's Calcuculon, Morbo, and Slurms. We also have Fry from Universe B, which is pretty much just in different clothes, a different hair color, which I think is odd. But anyways, then we have regular Bender. I would like Bender. Then we have Layla and Layla from Universe B, which again is the exact same except for the hair color. Maybe lipstick color, can't really tell. There's a mystery bot. They have Hedonism bot, Zoidberg from Universe B. So those are the options. I kind of want the mystery one because I want to know what it is. But I'll be happy with one when I get it. Where? Oh, there it is. I was about to get upset. There's no easy way to open it. I've got the devil bot. Okay, I think I may have gotten a little too excited about it. This is cute. I love it. I think that was my favorite. All right, so got the binge box. Let's see, what am I missing? This is not a game, it's a pin. If you ever find yourself abandoned aboard the USS Callister, you may very well be a sentient. Why can't I read right now? If you ever find yourself aboard the USS Callister, you may very well be a sentient digital clone of yourself. I can clone myself? That's cool. But have no fear, the revolution is here, and they brought loot from one of Black Mirror's most lauded episodes. This exclusive USS Callister pin comes in one of 4 styles and will have you anticipating future gear. I actually do. Dystopian Duds. Is that... Oh, it's from Black Mirror. What's Black Mirror? Do you know what that is? I want to say it's a show. That's my assumption. I think I've heard of it, but I've never seen it. And I think my mom may have recommended it, but I'm not sure. My mom recommends a lot of shows to me. So originally appearing on Channel 4 in the UK. That's why I don't know. I'm not in the UK. That makes perfect sense now. I know. I do have the internet. I have not been living under a rock. It says Black Mirror's dystopian and anthology series has quickly become one of Netflix. Netflix. Oops. One of Netflix's most popular and creepy shows since switching over to the streaming service in 2015. Each self-contained episode in Black Mirror takes the unsettling concept of the Twilight Zone and adds a hinged element of high-tech future. Featuring scenes. Okay, so that's what it's about. I was right. It's different episodes. I'm definitely going to have to watch it now that I've got the shirt. Now I have something to do at work. Oh, I'm not supposed to say that a lot. I mean, after work. That's what I meant to say. Collect my shiny metal. So that's regards to this. Yeah. So apparently, is that the mystery? I'm guessing, is this the mystery one? I'm not sure. No, that's the Calculon. That's what that one is. Okay. Never mind. Next. So we did get the calendar. Wow. Did you know that SpongeBob SquarePants premiered in Nickelodeon on May 1999? Seems like forever. That's 20 years ago. 20 years. It doesn't even seem like that long. Okay, now I feel a little old. So I do got my socks. How fun. And that's everything else. So these are the top 5 Black Mirror episodes. Prediction that actually, oh, it's predictions that actually came true. Do y'all want to know what these are? All right. So we got the driveless pizza delivery vans. In Black Mirror episode of Crocodile, people are embedded with recallers that allow access to recent memories, while the story centers around a cold-hearted killer whose eventually undoing is the recall of a family pet. It's the deliverless pizza van that plows down a pedestrian in an unrelated scene that has people talking. Both Domino's and Pizza Hut have recently been in talks to partner with motor companies in order to create a similar vehicle. Uh-oh. Look out, literally, for new driverless vehicle delivery vehicles. Actually, no, I read that wrong. Look out, literally, for new driverless delivery services. Okay, interesting. They do have driverless cars. Driverless cars now, or they're working on it more and more. Although that's still kind of scary. Although I don't have to worry about getting direct when I drive to work and I'm doing my makeup. I'm just kidding. I don't do that. I don't wear makeup to work. All right. So the 4th one is the mechanical bees. Poor bees. Hated in the Nation aired as the season 3 finale of Black Mirror. In an attempt to recover the endangered bee population, robot bees, or robo-bees, are created and deployed. In true in true Black Mirror fashion, the bees are promptly hacked and begin murdering people via an online voting system. That's scary. With the bee deaths on the rise, real-life robot bees are in development to combat the shortage. Walmart has just recently filed a patent for a robot bee to help with crop population. So is Walmart trying to kill us? That's scary to think about. I would have thought it was at the Amazon. I mean, they're the number one thing. My number one shopping tool right now. Mainly because I don't like going out. All right, digital contact lenses. Now this is very believable. The entire history of you tells the story of what could happen if you were able to record and rewatch every moment in our lives via contact lenses. That may not be a good thing because there are things that you don't necessarily want to remember. Like every scary movie that you watch, because you don't necessarily want to get re-scared every time. Needless to say, the infinite ways to use the information could be excessively dangerous and even deadly. Especially if someone's trying to scare the mess out of you and they keep repeating it. Anyways. No, I don't scare easily at all. Sony previously patented a contact lens with the ability to snap a pic and eventually record everything you see. This idea is either brilliant or brilliantly problematic. Alright, so, and emojis. In season 2, Black Mirror gave us some insight on how creepy it can be to mirror your voice and expressions through an animated 3D animal. In the Waldo moment, the episode centers around a failed comedian who runs for office through the image of a cartoon bear named Waldo. Things quickly spiral out of control as Waldo's popularity evolves into a dictatorship of sorts. Oh. The iPhone X offers a similar feature with emojis, which lets you create an animal avatar of yourself. Sounds harmless, but we'll see. That's kind of creepy. All right, and the number one is one of Black Mirror's most popular episodes, Nosedive, follows the story of Lacey, who lives in a world where every social interaction throughout the day is rated on a scale of 1 to 5. So I'm guessing going to sleep is 5 and going to work is 1. Is that just me? Fine. Unless I'm doing YouTube, then of course it's going to be a 5. Because I enjoy doing that. The higher your score, the higher your quality of life. As Lacey's problems start to snowball, we're witness to her descent into the depths of a low-rated life. China has developed a similar system called social credit that ranks you based on your behavior and decisions in society. Okay, first of all, I don't want anybody to be rating anything of me, because people's opinions vary vastly. Just saying. Some people love my channel, and some people really love my channel. Just saying. All right. Let's see. Beware infractions, including bad driving. Don't judge me just because I can't drive. Posting fake news and buying too many video games or anything else on Amazon. Okay, so I added that last part. I might have a problem with Amazon. So those are the 5 predictions that actually came true. Sorry if I spoiled any episodes of Black Mirror for you, because I'm pretty sure it wrote a couple episodes for me, which I might have to skip if I remember about them. Which is why I need the contact lens. That way I'll remember it. All right, I think that covers everything. Ooh, I'm mad. I want this cup. I want this Los Pollos cup. Anybody have one? I want one. All right, so I just had to get too excited about that one. All right, so if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer, and I look forward to doing another review with the Loot Crate. Make sure you subscribe, and if you have any questions, like I said, I'll be happy to answer. And if you have any recommendations, I'll be more than happy to review those as well. In the meantime, stay tuned and stay jazzy.